Thanks. And now it's time to give the mic to the next generation. Maria. Yes, Maria is super, huh? And the whole GCL team and all organized, thanks a lot. You did it. We are very happy and very proud about
done.
you.
Almost. We have an open stage. Hans, that I leave to you.
Yes, I can go, huh?
You can go. Yes.
Super.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. So happy that this first day it passed by. So happy to see like everywhere united. It's my first global social business. And I welcome on stage Ernesto Olivero, the founder of Sermig Arsenale della Pace.
Sì. No, qui.
No, questo no.
Perfetto.
Io mi metto qua allora.
Dopo questa musica
After this music,
ero tentato di buttar via questo foglio
I was tempted to just throw away this paper
e chiamare un mio amico
and call a friend of mine
e cantare insieme a lui Nessun dorma.
and sing with him Nessun dorma.
La prossima volta vi faremo una sorpresa.
Next time we will make a surprise for you.
Ma oggi,
But
stasera,
tonight,
dobbiamo essere molto seri.
we have to be serious
Perché l'incontro con Yunus,
because the meeting with
amico
Professor
e fratello,
friend and
è
brother
stato davvero importante per
was
me.
really special for me.
Molte cose
A lot of things.
vorrei dirvi,
I would like to tell you a lot of things,
però vorrei che tutti noi
but I would like that all of
andassimo
us
via da questo incontro
would leave this meeting
pensando una cosa importante,
thinking about one important thing,
che le armi
that weapons
fanno solo male,
are evil.
le armi uccidono solo
Weapons only kill.
e quindi ognuno di noi
And-
dovrebbe avere un desiderio.
And every one of us should have a desire.
Le armi non bisogna più costruirle.
We cannot build any more weapons.
Le armi non bisogna più costruirle.
We cannot build any more weapons.
Le armi non bisogna più
We
costruirle.
cannot build any more
Perché
weapons.
fanno solo del
They
male.
are just evil.
Uccidono,
They kill.
creano l'odio.
They generate hate.
E io ho sintetizzato questa certezza che ho nel cuore
And I synthesize this certainty,
dicendovi che le armi
telling you that
uccidono
weapons kill.
10 volte.
They kill 10 times.
10 volte.
10 times.
La prima,
The first one,
perché sottraggono risorse alla sanità,
Because
allo
it's-
sviluppo, all'istruzione.
because they subtract resources from health, development, and education.
La seconda,
The second one,
perché impegnano intelligenze che potrebbero essere impiegate nella ricerca per migliorare la qualità della vita e delle persone.
because they use resources and intelligence that could be used to improve the quality of life and the life of people.
La terza, perché uccidono senza distinzione militari, civili, giovani, vecchi, donne, bambini.
The third one, because they kill without any difference and distinction, soldiers, children, families, everyone.
La quarta, perché lasciano sul campo solo distruzione, strade, case, scuole, ospedali, creando milioni di sfollati
The fourth one, because they only leave distractions,
e togliendo il futuro e il presente a tantissimi giovani.
street, hospitals, schools, and
Yes.
they take away the future for millions of young people,
E specialmente ai più fragili.
and especially from the most fragile people.
La quinta,
The fifth one,
perché affamano la popolazione.
because they create more hunger.
La sesta,
The sixth one,
perché continuano la logica della violenza che alimenta la vendetta.
Because the logic of violence is nurturing revenge.
La settima, perché gli ordini bellici seminati durante la guerra causano poi invalidi, mutilati, anche a distanza di decenni.
The seventh one, because all the weapons remain and they keep mutilating people and killing people even afterwards, after 10 years and more.
L'ottava, perché distruggono l'ambiente, provocando danni all'intero sistema.
The eighth one, because they kill the environment, provoking damages to the whole system.
La nona, perché la violenza sfigura, disumanizza l'uomo, autorizzandolo a compiere qualsiasi brutalità sul nemico.
The ninth one, because violence is dehumanizing men and making him do even worse things to the enemy.
La decima, perché i reduci, vittime, carnefici si portano dietro e addosso le ferite degli orrori subiti e commessi e la loro vita smette di essere vita.
And the 10th one, because even those people who survive, they don't live anymore. Their life stopped to being alive.
Proprio per questa ragione non ci abitueremo mai alla guerra.
And for this reason, we will not accept any more war.
Continueremo a lavorare per la pace
We will continue to work for peace
e a ricercarla con tutte le nostre forze.
and to research it with all our strength.
Ma noi vogliamo ricordare questo incontro a Torino
But we want to remember this meeting here in Turin now,
anche per una ragione d'affetto.
also for a love reason.
Daniele, perché vogliamo regalare
We
a
want to
Yunus
give to Professor Yunus
la nostra bandiera della pace
our peace flag.
e ricordando che il sindaco di Torino ha proclamato Torino città dell'Arsenale della Pace.
And reminding that the mayor of Turin said that Turin is the city of peace. I think we can make an applause.
Vado da Yunus.
Professor Yunus, come and take your flag.
Fammi salire.
Sì, sì.
Wow, you see that? That's it. Wonderful. Let's all hold it. All hold it. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Thank you. This is the new flag.
La bandiera della pace è su tutti i paesi del mondo.
On the peace flag, there are all
Peace flag. This
all
is a
the
peace
flags
flag.
of every country.
Absolutely. This is a common peace flag for every country. One flag for all countries. Fantastic. Yep.
Grazie.
Ron, come and join us here. This is a new flag. Yeah. Come on in. You will be the one watching us from the sky, up there, the space. Yeah, waving this flag. We'll be here. You come this way, next to him. Okay. Let's take a picture. Hans, come on. Yeah. Wonderful. Absolutely. Anybody who would like to join us with the peace flag, welcome. Come on. Come over. Anybody who wants to take a picture with the peace flag, come over.
Everyone here.
Everybody. Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah,
Not too many
the
people on
music.
stage. Not too many people.
Let's have the music. Yeah. Sitting here. Oh, good. That's it. Wonderful. See? Look at that. Yeah, Dom, come over.
Khan, komm, sit us
Dom,
hier.
Dom. Lamia. Yeah. Carmen. Come on.
Aziz.
Wow.
Too late.
Yeah, where's Nazi? Where is she? Hey, Nazi.
Go in the front, no more on the stage, otherwise we don't
Come
have
on
a stage
over.
tomorrow.
There is no peace flag without you. Hi there. Come on.
We should do the 3-0.
3-0. 3-0. 3-0. Good. Where is she? Christina.
There's the new kids on the block from Social Business.
Yes? Where is she? Saskia.
Peter, come up here.
Hello. Okay. I know, it may not. Particularly heavy one like you.
Hey.
Stay there, stay there. No, no. Good. Okay. Okay. So after we take these pictures, we'll let you go, and others who are waiting, particularly Bangladesh delegation. The entire Bangladesh delegation should be here to take a peace flag. And more 3 zeros, yeah, of course. 3 zeros.
Yes, you can do it.
Yes. Very good.